Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 2.97% compared to yesterday, with the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT increasing by 2.68% and the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT increasing by 2.57%. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.24% to 1,582.82, while the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.24% to 209.5.
Latest news.
Nansen 2 early access version launched for whitelisted users. Nansen, a cryptocurrency analysis platform, has announced the launch of its second version, Nansen 2. The early access version, which is being gradually opened to whitelisted users, is powered by artificial intelligence and offers faster, smarter, and more intuitive data analysis. The platform features a new intelligent search function that allows users to simply use the command "take key" and enter the required token, wallet, and entity names, and will guide them to the most relevant pages on the website. Additionally, Nansen 2 supports the creation of custom intelligence segments, enabling users to organize and categorize the addresses they are most interested in. Bitwave and Deloitte form strategic alliance to launch Digital Asset Solutions Toolkit. Bitwave and Deloitte will launch a Digital Asset Solutions Toolkit. Bitwave's software will gather data from over 70 blockchain and DeFi ecosystems, while Deloitte's accounting and consulting services will be integrated. The alliance aims to provide users with a comprehensive solution for cryptocurrency accounting and compliance. Tornado Cash developer Alexey Pertsev to face trial in the Netherlands. Alexey Pertsev, the developer of Tornado Cash, is set to face trial in the Netherlands on March 26 to 27. Pertsev returned to the country on Wednesday for his fourth pre-trial hearing, where the judge will assess whether the prosecution and defense have the necessary evidence for the trial. The court will also evaluate if Pertsev needs to be detained again before the trial. He was arrested in August 2022 and detained for 9 months before being released on house arrest in April and May. Rep. Tom Emmer reintroduces Anti-CBDC bill to U.S. Congress. The U.S. House of Representatives has introduced a bill called the CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act, which seeks to prevent the Federal Reserve from issuing central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and prevent them from being used for monetary policy. The bill was introduced by Representative Tom Emmer, with 49 original co-sponsors. The bill aims to protect Americans' right to financial privacy and resist the potential weaponization of money by the federal government. Zilliqa announces multi-year strategic alliance with Google Cloud. Layer 1 blockchain Zilliqa has announced a multi-year strategic alliance with Google Cloud. Google Cloud will become a staking seed node, SSN, operator on the Zilliqa network, joining existing 28 SSN operators. Zilliqa Group has chosen Google Cloud as its strategic cloud provider, leveraging its open, secure, scalable, and energy-efficient infrastructure and services to enhance the flexibility, elasticity, and data availability of its blockchain. Binance margin to delist 20 PYUSD trading pairs from cross-margin and isolated margin on September 21, 2023. Binance margin will delist 20 PYUSD trading pairs, including AliceBust, NKR-BUSD, ADA-BUSD, BSCO-BUSD, CLV-BUSD, CTI-BUSD, DAR-BUSD, DGO-BUSD, GLM-BUSD, IMX-BUSD, KP3-R-BUSD, KSM-BUSD, LRC-BUSD, MDX-BUSD, MKR-BUSD, POLIX-BUSD, SLP-BUSD, WXP-BUSD, XTZ-BUSD, and ZIL-BUSD from both cross-margin and isolated margin at 2023年9月22日6点 UTC. Prior to delisting, Binance margin will suspend isolated margin borrowing for these pairs at 2023年9月18日6点 UTC. On 2023年9月22日6点 UTC, outstanding positions will be closed, automatic settlements conducted, and pending orders cancelled on the isolated margin pairs before delisting. These pairs will also be delisted from cross-margin at the same time. Paxos releases first transparency report for PYUSD. Paxos has released its first transparency report for PYUSD, disclosing unaudited data as of August 31st. The report reveals that the total tokens outstanding amount to approximately 44.70 million, with the current market value of collateral in U.S. Treasury repurchase agreements at 43.80 million and the notional position value of 43 million. The current market value of collateral held in other cash deposits at custodian institutions is around 5.5 million, while the current market value of collateral in total net assets is 45.36 million, with a notional position value of 44.4 million. Paxos explains that U.S. Treasury repurchase agreements are contractual arrangements between two parties, where one party agrees to sell securities to the other at a specified price and commits to repurchase the securities later at another, usually higher, specified price. If the counterparty defaults, Paxos can liquidate the U.S. Treasury collateral to cover losses. Since all transactions are over-collateralized, the risk of loss is not considered significant. Crypto, Altruism, and ADHD, potential jurors to face questions in Sam Bankman-Fried's trial. Sam Bankman-Fried, former CEO of FTX, is facing a criminal trial. Lawyers on both sides have filed proposed questions to ask prospective jurors in the trial. Bankman-Fried's legal team plans to probe jurors' thoughts on cryptocurrency, affective altruism, and attention deficit disorder. U.S. prosecutors, on the other hand, want to understand jurors' familiarity with FTX, their opinions on government regulation of the crypto industry, and whether they have lost money due to fraudulent conduct. Bankman-Fried, who plead not guilty to all charges related to FTX's collapse, faces trial on October 3rd and another separate trial in March next year. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. The Fear-Greed Index for cryptocurrency investors has been set at 41, indicating a high level of pessimism. The index is calculated based on factors such as volatility, market momentum, social media dominance, and Google Trends, with the current survey being currently paused. Binance to support Cosmos, Atom, network upgrade on September 13th, 2023. Binance will support Cosmos, Atom, network upgrade, which is scheduled to take place at block height 16,985,500 or around 2023年9月3日13点 UTC. Users will be suspended from deposits and withdrawals of Atom starting from approximately 2023年9月3日16点 UTC. Trading of Atom will not be affected during the upgrade. Once the upgraded network is deemed stable, Binance will reopen deposits and withdrawals for Atom without further announcement. ArgentX account launches on Cairo 1 contract. Argent, a smart contract wallet, has announced that its ArgentX account is now live on the Cairo 1 contract. Users can upgrade their ArgentX accounts to the new contract, which requires a transaction. Argent said that the Cairo 1 contract has been audited by Consensus Diligence and offers improvements such as better syntax, optimized code, and a new compiler. Users should prepare ETH in advance in their ArgentX account for the upgrade. Celsius Unsecured Creditors Committee agrees to pause claims against former executives. Celsius Unsecured Creditors Committee has reached a deal with the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York to temporarily suspend claims against former Celsius CEO Alexey Mashinsky and other executives. The agreement is to avoid any potential interference with Mashinsky's criminal trial. The U.S. Attorney's Office requested the agreement, and the Celsius Unsecured Creditors Committee agreed to coordinate with the litigation administrator on the distribution of recovered assets in the criminal case. The committee will return the recovered funds to account holders. Mythic Protocol raises 6.5 million in seed funding round. Mythic Protocol, a web-free collaboration entertainment protocol, has completed a 6.5 million seed funding round. The funds will be used to develop and launch the initial core product. The protocol's services aim to help gamers, investors, and creators from around the world collaborate, participate, and build entertainment collaboration products on decentralized blockchain platforms. The round was led by Shima Capital and Alpha JWC with participation from Saison Capital, GDV Venture, Planetarium Labs, Arcane Group, Presto Labs, Marbox, Emergo Ventures, Hyperrhythm, and several angel investors.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.